Now rule number 3. By removing F, Fe and adding Ves in the end of words, when we change singular to plural in a word, for example calf, we change f in v and add es. calves, calves, loaves, loaves, wolves, wolves, leaves, leaves, shelf, selves, self, selves, knife, knives, knives, wife, wives, wives, thief, thieves, life, lives, lives, half, halves, halves. Rule number 4. By removing y and adding ies in the end of the words when y is followed by consonant, when we change from singular to plural in changing y into I and add es in the end of the words. For example, baby, baby, bies, babies, fly, fly, flies, flies, duty, duty, duties, duties, city, cities, cities, pony, ponies, ponies, body, bodies, bodies, copy, copies, copies, army, armies, armies, lady, ladies, ladies, story, stories, stories. Exception: upward. If y is followed by any vowel, y cannot be removed. In the words, only s is added. Example: way, ways, ways. In this word, y is consonant, before it a is vowel. We cannot change y into es. Ways. Similarly, ray, rays. Story, stories. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. By changing vowels, when we change vowel and make from singular to plural, we can do thus: man, man, toots, teeth, teeth, foot, feet, feet, womn, woman, women, women, mouse, mouse, mice, mice, goose, goose, geese. Some nouns are changed into plural by adding en or on. For example, ox, auction, child, children. Rule number 6. Adding s in the nouns having several words in the main nouns adds. For example, stepmother, stepmothers, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, son-in-law, sons-in-law, maid servant, maid servants, man servant, men man, servant, man servant. Some nouns are that are similar in singular form and plural form. We cannot change these nouns. For example, deer, deer, ship, ship, fish, fish, pies, pies, dozen, dozen, swine, swine. In this way, I have taught you that we can change singular from plural. I hope that you will be understand it very carefully and do this work in your copy and listen and understand. If you have any query, please contact me. My mobile number is 9013689090. Thank you very much.